Norton Endpoint Protection 101, Norton Symantec Endpoint Protection. Norton Endpoint Protection is a cloud-based security solution that helps protect small and medium-sized businesses from cyber threats. It combines advanced antivirus, firewall, device control, web filtering, and application control features to defend against malware, ransomware, phishing, and other online attacks. It also provides centralized management, reporting, and alerting tools to help monitor and control the security of multiple devices and users. Norton Endpoint Protection is designed to be easy to use, easy to deploy, and easy to maintain. It does not require any hardware or software installation on the devices, and it automatically updates itself with the latest security patches and definitions. It also offers flexible pricing plans based on the number of devices and the level of protection needed. Some of the benefits of Norton Endpoint Protection are: it protects devices from various types of threats, such as viruses, worms, trojans, spyware, adware, rootkits, bots, and more. It blocks unauthorized access to devices and data, and prevents data leakage and theft. It reduces the risk of network downtime, data loss, and reputation damage caused by security breaches. It improves the performance and productivity of devices and users by minimizing the impact of security scans and updates. It simplifies the management and administration of security policies and settings across multiple devices and users.